I'm aware. Don't be irrelevant.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's the Apes and I'm back with a great video. Let me fix it. So you already know, today I'm coming with a wig. Yes, I'm coming with a wig and I already got it on my head. I went ahead and did it. I was on live with a few of you subscribees, a few of my baby gorillas. I was talking to them and I was doing the cap application and I was doing the hair as well, but now I got it on and now I want to show y'all what's good. I don't have the baby hairs done or anything like that yet because I wanted to come on camera and do it. Before I start this video, I just want to go ahead and say this is a collab with the Soar Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. It is the one that I have in right now. Y'all know how I do my cap process and then my gluing, so it's nothing different. It's the same exact shit on all my other videos. I'm actually really loving it. For right now, I'm really loving it. I didn't put any makeup on this part, so it does look this is my skin. This isn't lace or anything, but it does look a little bit like I didn't pluck it, so it might look a little but I'm going to pluck it a little bit right now just to get that. And I'm not the greatest when it comes to plucking. I still have to get better at it, but I'm kind of getting there. Let me show y'all what was in the package though before I continue with that. They had sent me this hair and this is the, let me get the full description for y'all. It's a straight hair transparent lace front wig, 22 inches, sorry 22 inches, cap, excuse me, wow, cap, 150 density, and then they got my stuff. Inside the box comes this little cuteness. Oh my god. Comes this here, excuse me. So yeah, that's really cute. And then I got this little pocketbook. That's so cute. And then they had sent that to me after Christmas, but Christmas was the time that we were like talking and all of that. So, oh my god, excuse me, do I have the hiccups? And then they sent me some lashes with it too. That's really cute. I'm sorry, like I don't know what I'm feeling right now. Back to pluckage. Okay, so I plucked it as much as I could. And I'm still trying to get better at the whole like lace thing and like just the thinness of it so it's not so apparent and all of that. It's not bad. I mean, the hair is definitely not bad. I like the wig. The color of the lace wasn't the greatest, but it's not like, I actually really like the wig. I like how it sits. It's on. I don't fucking know, bro. I just feel like I need some type of blendage. Like, maybe that just made it worse. I don't know. Then I have this setting mousse here that I'm gonna use for the edge portion. I'm gonna take this. I don't really know how this part works, bro. Oh god. That's how I be seeing people do it though. I learn something new every time I do a wig. I love it, to be honest. I really enjoy doing these wigs. They're just so fun.
I'm cringing so hard, bitch. Shut up. Oh my goodness. This is the most ass application.
That's the best part about it. Bro, that looks pretty good. I mean, for the fact that I'm just such a beginner ass bitch. Oh, that's cute. That side, I don't really like this top edge here. I've been fucking with this whole time. Like, it's been, I don't know how long now.
I'm so sorry, but this crusty ass lace front, listen, bro, I knew when I was recording it that it was fucked up, but sitting here editing it and looking at it, 2 plus 2 is equaling 49. Like, I'm honestly felt the whole bitch way. What is going on? What the fuck is going on?
I gotta get better at these fucking edges. Like, hell nah, bitch.
Honestly, not gonna lie, I'm real surprised I ain't stopped recording.
It's not bad, but I need to get better at this. And it's so sad because I literally have real edges. So why is this such a hassle for me when I do my own edges all the time?
Hell no, I did not walk outside like this, so you don't even gotta ask the fucking question, bitch. Yes, I know what it's looking like. Drastic. Baffling. Ridiculous. Fucking donkulous. Fuck ridiculous. Redonkulous, bitch. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? That's crazy. That's real wild. Look at her cutting it away. Just cutting it away.
If you hear jumping in the background, that's my little brother. He's playing with his friends.
Not today, not tomorrow, not next week, and not in 20 years. Take that shit off. That shit is ass. That lace is ass. Oh, damn. What the fuck, bitch?
I can't do this video like every other video and leave with some fucked up ass edges. Like, this whole entire mousse thing, like, I didn't do this before. And it just turned out so much better.
Oh, fuck. Cut the cap. I mean, for real though, them edges kind of did fix it up a little bit, but still, like, it should still be seamless underneath, you know what I mean? It gotta be looking beautiful naked versus with the clothes on. Period. Spirituality and motivationals. Because, yeah. And, wow, this is a long-ass clip. Damn, it's still going. See, that edge was real crusty, bitch. I was working on that shit for a brick break. Like, Still ain't get it right. What the fuck is that? Like, you see that sweep I'm doing right now? Like, that is just a no for me. No for me. That whole entire side is a fucking no for me. Sorry, excuse me, clerk. Can I please get my money back? Ew, that's real dusty, bro.
Do you hear that? Fucking monkeys. Ooh, that soup is giving me very much Marilyn Monroe. What if I took this off and it looked like a hot fucking mess? I don't even know if, like, this is good, but honestly, bro, it's fun. I'm so excited for it to be all done so I can see what it looks like. It's been some time. I'm just gonna take this off now. I might be taking it off a little too early, but I just want to see what it's gonna be like.
Man, on life, if them edges weren't there, this would have been the most ass-tastic wig on YouTube.
Christina. You guys, I really just wanted to perfect the edges before I left.
Hey, my name's Dust Sinclair. I am the Dusty Queen. Welcome to my Dust Paradise.
It's so cute. Like I said, I could have done the lace a little bit differently, put makeup on it, whatever, so I could fix that up a little bit, and I could have placed it a little bit differently, I feel like, personally. If you guys would like it, I might have a code down for you in the description. I might have a code for you down in the description box. Make sure to check that out. I'll have the links down there for you. Anyway, you guys, that does conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you comment down below what else you would like to see. Comment how you felt about this video. Thank y'all for fucking with me always, and I love y'all so much. And you already knew that, though. I'm gonna see y'all motherfuckers in the next video. Bye.